Built a really fun set this week. A tag team gear for YDNP, the tag team of Jordan Oliver and Alec Price. It was a set of tights, a set of Muay Thai shorts, and two pairs of knee pads. And they showed me the concept art. It was like, I've never seen anything like it. It was really stellar artwork, really intricate with a lot of different parts and embellishments on there. And I knew it was going to be a challenge to do. I was excited about the opportunity to kind of stretch my abilities, see if it was something that I could pull off and make it look as much like their vision as possible. And so the tights turned out really great. Really happy with all the artwork on there. The thing that ended up being the most difficult was the Muay Thai shorts. Specifically the waistband, and I kind of underestimated how tough it was going to be to make that waistband scrunch up with that spandex fabric. Had a logo across there, and to try to get that to read right when it opens up was pretty tough. Took me 2 tries and 1 crash out, but in the end I made it, and I'm stoked about that. So ride along with me and check it out. Let's go. Here's a mock-up of the shorts for Alec Price. I'm in Illustrator here, just cleaning up some artwork, making some borders on there. So I got some places to cut, cleaning up a little bit of this line work because I thought I was going to make it out of vinyl or something, but in the end I ended up sublimating it. This is Clo 3D, mocking it up in 3D. It's an orange pen dot metallic spandex and a purple with like this cool red shimmeriness to it that I really like. Cool fabric. Use PVC for all the white parts, for the shiny white parts. Just attaching everything with like a double stick, heat up adhesive, heat and bond, that sort of thing. At this point, David didn't understand that this was going to be the first version of these shorts. There was another one yet to come, but this is the footage I got. Working on some color blocking here. Trying to keep the bulk down, so putting it on my liner fabric and separating it into pieces like that to make them a little swishy. Yeah, that pattern there included the waistband in it. Womp womp. Ended up having to kind of redo the pattern, remake the shorts. You live and you learn. There they are, 3 inches too tall. So you got some graphics here, you got some sublimated stuff, like that YDNP there is sublimated. This stuff here, these tiger stripes, something I drew in Illustrator, cut those out of heat press vinyl. Got some vinyl here on some shattered glass fabric, creating some dimensionality to it. Taping everything down, getting it in place. Gonna put it in the heat press, hold everything in place, and then stitch it all down later. Check out that cool artwork, sublimated onto some polyester. Hey, looks just like the picture. There it is, the beast. Getting ready to mow through some stitches. If you visit our local Mexican restaurant here in Kentucky, Acapulco, for delicious treats, you can go to the vending machine in the front lobby and get yourself some junk food duty stickers of your own. Get yourself a nice dense zigzag, man. That's the way to make stuff look cool. And it holds it down really good. Takes a long time though. Finally got that waistband. There it is. Beauty shots. Here, not shown, the crash out. This is the after. You would think that this went as smooth as possible, but you know, that's the internet for you. Freaking awesome. Here's the mock-up of the Jordan Oliver tights. That fabric is ridiculous. God. Who's that handsome fella? Putting all those pieces on there. They're just heat press vinyl on some nylon spandex. Got some mitered corners on the stripes. I mean, just really going all out there. Here I am probably listening to an audiobook, you know, or some heavy metal, who knows. The book of this build was the audiobook Wool by Hugh Howey. An absolute awesome book if you've never read it. Chose to sublimate that butt logo. Normally I would use, you know, individual letters cut out of fabric, but I chose to preserve the detail there instead. I really liked all the sharp angles and things, and figured made a choice, went with sublimation there. I'm happy with the way that turned out. There it is, all done, looking good, not a stitch out of place. Waistband is PVC with some heat press vinyl around the edge to give it a little pop. Turned out a little thicker than I wanted it to, but overall, super stoked with it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.